Sink or float, sink or float, what will it do? What will it do? Can you guess what it will do? Can you guess what it will do? Sink or float, sink or float. Hi friends, my name is Maria. Welcome to the EarlyON. We offer programs for families and children 0 to 6 years of age in Brantford and Brant County. Today, we are going to be doing an experiment on sinking and floating. So if something sinks, it means that it falls to the bottom of water. And if it floats, it stays on top of the water. Let's start. I have these things from around my house. Can you see them? All these items from around my house. So we're going to play the game and you can guess what it will do. See all of the items on my tray and a bucket of water. These are the things we need for our experiment today. I also have a towel and words. This says sink and this says float. So after we drop the item in the water, then we can put it where it belongs. Let's try. Are you ready? I'm going to pick the sponge. I'm going to let you guess. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to guess if you think it will sink or float. All right, here it goes. Can you see? It stays on top of the water. That means it floats. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it under the word float. The next thing I'm getting is a pen. I'm going to drop it in. Can you guess what it will do? Can you see it went to the bottom of the water? That means it sinks. So let's take it out and we'll put it over here with the word sink. Now these are just items that I have from around my house or outside. So this is an easy activity for you to do at home. All right, let's try. I have a block. Let's try the block. What does that mean? Does that mean sink or does that mean float? You're right, it's floating because it's staying on top of the water. Next, I have a pine cone. So I dropped it in the water and it is staying on top of the water. So let's take it out and we'll put it in the float pile. Okay, what do I have next? A rock from outside in my backyard. Can you guess if it will sink or float? Let's try. Look, it went to the bottom. That means it sinks. So we take it out and put it under the word sink. All right. Now, I have a tin foil ball. I just took a piece of tin foil and rolled it in a ball. Can you guess what it will do? It floats. It stays on top of the water. So let's put that over here. Okay, I have a bar of soap. Let's try that. See what that does. Can you guess? It went to the bottom. I thought it was going to float, but it's sinking. So that means we put it over here with sink. All right, I have a toothbrush. Let's see what the toothbrush does. It stays on top of the water. That means it floats. So remember, we put all of the things that float over here. Next, I have a stick. Let's see what it does. Look, It stays on top of the water. That means it floats. So I'll put it over here with the float pile. Next, I have a spoon. Can you guess what it will do? It went to the bottom. That means it goes in the sink pile over here. Next, I have a pair of sunglasses. What do you think they will do? Can you guess? I'm going to guess. I'm going to say they float. Oh, I was wrong. They sank to the bottom of the water. That means they go to the sink pile. All right, I have one item left, and it's a cork. Can you guess what a cork will do? Will it sink or will it float? It floats. It stays on top of the water. Let's put that over here in the float pile. Friends, this is an activity that you can do at home with items around your house and a bowl of water. What items can you find around your house that you could play this game with? Let's finish with our sink or float song. Sink or float, sink or float, what will it do? What will it do? Can you guess what it will do? Can you guess what it will do? Sink or float, sink or float. I hope you enjoyed our EarlyON activity today, friends.